Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Green Goose Gaming, and I'm going to be showing you how to make a Guess Who game on Roblox Studio, and it's going to be pretty cool. Okay, so first thing you want to do, insert a part. If you don't know how to do that, then just press that part, and then it will insert this, and you can like scale it, do a bunch of wacky stuff with it. And after that, insert an int value. All you have to do is just do int, just like press the plus on the thing and then search int value, and then it will come up. Then rename it the character. Once you do that, insert a script. I will show you the script in the description. And okay, now you can close the script off. Go to the character, then just do whatever you want to do. Like let's say if you want to go to images, you can do whatever you want. I'm just doing Doge. It's just the first thing that comes to my mind. I don't know why, but it does. But it is. And so once you have your thing, all you have to do is go to the character, go to value, and then just type in whatever you want. For me, it will just be Doge. And so now if you play it, oh yeah, actually I need to do one more thing to make it nicer. Okay, I did this in my other tutorial. Go check that one out, because it will show you how to do this. So okay, so now once you like go in, you will see that your thing is here. You can't go through, but if you say the right name of the character, in this case it's Doge, you'll be able to go through, and then it'll harden after a while. And you can say it however you want, like this, and it'll still do it. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you next time on Green Goose Gaming. And please like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye.